Where are we, Tracy?
We've arrived in Pike Place and we're just walking up Post Alley, so if you look up there you're going to see the sign for it. And we're really lucky because this building is where we're staying. We've got a really nice apartment and we're going to head up here and head into Pike Place and see what food we can find.
What will we see just up here? It's a bit gross, I think.
We'll see something that I think is a bit gross, which is a gum wall, which is a wall that people have been sticking chewing gum on for quite a while. And from what I remember reading, they did clear it all off at one point, and then within about 3 or 4 hours it was all back again. So we'll show you if we get up there, but I think it smells a bit. Let's go. So we can see the gum wall already, and I can tell you I think it's a bit gross anyway. At least one of them things you've got to come and see, but I'm not sure I'm going to be putting anything on it. Do you like it?
No. I don't get, considering my Pike Place is supposed to be famous for all this amazing food and stuff, that place is pretty gross and disgusting. I don't really see the point. It's kind of funky, it's a bit unusual I guess, but ooh, I mean it smells of gum and that's kind of cool, like the smell of it's interesting. But it's not right hygienic and yikes, what are you going to do? It doesn't put you in a good mood to go and eat at Pike Place, which is meant to be fantastic for all the different food and stuff, so I'm a little bit confused in all honesty. Right now we've just finished our breakfast, a slightly late breakfast if we're honest. We were up a bit late today. Yesterday was a long day, we did quite a bit of walking at Fremont Market, we walked all around the ballpark, then we walked home, then we had a little bit of a wander around Park Place and on the seafront, so our feet were hurting, our heads were hurting, so we slept in a little bit this morning. So right now we're in quite an old-fashioned, quite an old restaurant that's quite famous in Pike Place called the Athenian. It's a seafood restaurant and diner. We had a traditional breakfast with some hash browns and eggs and sausage, which was really good. We're enjoying it because it's an absolutely fantastic view out across the water of Seattle, if you can all see. Fantastic, a lovely place to have breakfast and a nice cup of coffee. So today we've got a relaxed but I think kind of interesting day planned. From here we're going to take a walk up Union Street in Seattle, obviously, and we're going to go to the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. Now I've seen lots of pictures of it, it looks fantastic. It's where they roast a lot of the coffee beans and you can try different types of coffee, different types of pastry and things, and you can see a lot of the coffee making process, and it sounds like it'll be a visually and aromatically quite interesting experience. So we're both kind of excited about that. As I said, a relatively gentle day. We're not going to do any crazy walking around or anything like that. So after the roastery, we're going to come back to Pike Place and we're going to have a little bit of a food tour. Tracy's really excited to eat some seafood and stuff, and we're just excited to have any different kinds of funky food that we can find. In the evening, the relaxation will continue because we're on a sunset sailboat tour. Apparently we're an racing yacht and it's going to take us out onto the water and we can enjoy some different views of Seattle. So that should be nice and fun. So we were in Pike Place this morning and we went to the original Starbucks. Yikes, the queue was long, like 100, 150 meters. So we decided enough of that. We've taken a walk up Union Street onto Pike Street. It's a bit of a walk uphill, just under a mile, but it's a nice little walk on a summer's day. And we're here at the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. If you look behind me, it's where they roast a lot of the beans and everything. It's a cool little place. The colours inside are absolutely fantastic. They've got a very brass, very coffee type feel about it. It smells really good. It smells like your average Starbucks, but a little bit stronger, a little bit richer, a little bit fuller. And it's just this really nice place to be. So we're going to have a bit of a wander around, then a cup of coffee, and if you look around, there's some very nice looking pastries. So we might have a coffee and some pastry in a little bit.
We're at the Starbucks Roastery and I bought a, tell me what it is, Nitro Mole Mocha. So it's an espresso with bitter chocolate and it's mixed with almond milk and nitrogen infused cold brew. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it's really nice, it's really nutty. Almost doesn't taste like coffee, more like a nutty chocolate, but it's really nice.